thinking, damn, what is this? That's us. Making speakers bam when it hits like what? Give it summer jams with that west side stuff. Everybody hands in the air straight up. Put them to the sky so high, now jump. Yeah, something crazy when that bass line bump. We just getting started.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Ultimate Tech, and today we are doing the review of this Moto Pulse headphones which are wireless. And see the back contents. They are saying that it is having the Bluetooth connectivity of 60 feet and 18 Hz playtime. They are containing the wireless headphones, charging cable and user guide, and it will compatible with mobile, iPad and tablet. Let us see to the headphones in the box and what we will get in the box right now. Firstly, we get these headphones which are nicely packed in this box, and we get the second box in this box, and then this box is empty. We will keep it aside and let's look on this box. It is look nice, well packed from Moto. And here is the power adapter cable, which is one end go to the power adapter and this second end goes to here of the headphones jack charging port. So let's keep it aside and we will see what else we will get in this box. We are getting two booklets. This is readme first, and here all the controls are given, that how to use the Moto headphones, and here are saying Safe Smart Protected from the Moto, and all the guaranteed covers and all the things which are written by Moto in this two booklets. So please listen after use the headphones. And here nothing is there, so let's keep it aside and see to the headphone how they are coming to us and how we are listening the noise of and the sound of the headphones. So let us come to the headphone and come to the build quality. They are having the nice build quality, nice cushioning. We will see the nice cushioning, and the loudspeaker it is having. These are the connecting knobs, or we can say the adjustment knobs. And here we are getting the sponge for the nice grip on your head, and it will not hurt your head while wearing for many hours and hours. Here we are getting the volume rockers. See, here we are getting the volume rockers. These two are volume rocker. This is for plus and this is for minus. This is the pause button and this is the power on off button. And here is the charging port, and here is the microphone which we are getting with these headphones. So let's listen the quality of the headphones on my iPad. I am connecting these headphones with my iPad and we will see the quality of these headphones. Firstly, open the Bluetooth in your iPad or anything else. We are getting that Moto Pulse. This is my saved device, and firstly you have to on this device by clicking push it for 2 to 3 seconds, and see the headphone starts and it lets blinking. And now connect your Moto Pulse and see they are connected and the light are not blinking now. And now we have only to listen the music from the headphones, and I am doing the full review, so I will listen you that noise and the good sound how it is coming. So yes, I am doing the full volume and I will listen in your mic. So let's friend, I am saying that these headphones are the best budget headphones in under the 2000 rupees, because they are coming in 1700 rupees Indian rupees and near about $20 in US. So these are the nice headphone in this price range. So guys, this is for you, and please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please share and thumbs up and like my video. Thanks for watching.